Emma, what do you think it might be?
I think it's a cow.
You think it might be a cow? James, what do you think it might be?
An elephant.
An elephant?
A tiger.
Kirs, what do you think it might be?
Kind hands.
Jordan, look at all. Hang on, and we've got jewels, felt pens.
Let's look at that.
And there's cakes. Yeah, but now we've
Yeah!
Where's Andrea? It's out on my lap.
Perfect. Make me push it. Beautiful. Right, see. What we're going to do is put them in a line along here. Sorry? The nose, it's less, isn't it?
yeah, just kind of all of it. Yeah? Yeah.
And it's big, it's show up that much.
Hello.
In September it is, I think.
You can't glue it. Oh, we can glue it.
That didn't fit.
Come on, Darwin!